Replacing toner cartridges in the HP LaserJet M109 through M112 standard and E models and HP LaserJet MFP M139 through M142 standard and E model printers. If your toner cartridge is empty or running low, you will need to replace the cartridge with a new one from HP. Follow these steps to replace a low or empty cartridge. Open the toner access door, and then gently remove the old cartridge by sliding it upwards along the tracks. Remove the new cartridge from its packaging. Then remove the orange cover from the cartridge. Grasp the cartridge by its sides, and then rock the cartridge side to side 5 or 6 times to evenly distribute the toner. Caution: do not touch the imaging drum surface. Fingerprints can cause print quality problems. Bend the orange tab until it snaps, and then pull to remove the protective film from the cartridge. Align the cartridge with the tracks inside the printer. Be sure to push it in until it's firmly in place, and then close the toner access door. Go to hp.com/recycle to learn how you can recycle the empty toner cartridge as well as all packing material. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.